Hi, and welcome to Wrong. Oh my god. Way. Today we're going to unbox the Dualtron Thunder. Let me tell you more about it. Wrong way. Okay, let's just get into it. Let me cut open the Zwinne Miasto tape. By the way, big thanks to Zwinne Miasto for providing me with the scooter for testing. You will soon see a rematch of the Dualtron Thunder against the Wolf Warrior 11 Plus. Subscribe for that. Okay. And I'm very curious to see what you get when you order a Dualtron Thunder. Alright. So right away. Oh, that's the small hook you get to lock the steering column to the scooter. I'll leave that for later. That is the remote for the LED lighting, RGB LEDs. Yes, very nice close up. There we have the charger, 66.4 volt peak voltage, 1.75 amps. So charging takes place in 20 hours if you have just one charger. You can get a fast charger or two of these. And we move on to this. That's some thick styrofoam. You seen it? Have you seen such a thick styrofoam before? Like maybe if you order a fridge or something. Alright, so here you can already see the beauty. That is the Dualtron Thunder. Oh boy, look at that. You like the sound? So here we have some caps, wheel caps. We have a Dualtron Thunder user's manual. Manuel d'utilisation, mobilité personnelle. You shouldn't wheelie. You shouldn't brake too fast. You shouldn't accelerate when going downhill. It's strictly forbidden. Don't ever accelerate when going downhill with the Dualtron Thunder. Just forget about it. Bullshit.
Go ahead.
Okay, we have the Minimotors tool, which is actually super nice. It is way better quality than the ones that you get in Cabo. You have all the necessary tools here, and here as well. And yet somebody has to tell me in the comments what this is for. Looks useful. Alright, so pretty nice tool. And as you can see, the steering wheel is currently in the folded state. So we don't need to do anything with it. Just this. Lock it in place. And this. Lock it in place. And you're done. You don't have to mount your steering wheel like on the Wolf Warrior 11 Plus. Ah, I'm magnetic. No, I'm static, electrostatic. Okay, so now we can remove this. Okay. Here. Oh, it's all wet. Used rubber from a Dualtron Thunder.
Ew.
Ew, yeah. Okay, so now let's just put that in place. Okay. It's the quick release clamp. Found your comment recently. So now I know what it's called. It's not a thing, it's the quick release clamp. Just lock it a bit tighter. Maybe a little more tight. Okay, that should do it at first. And now we can remove Dualtron Thunder. Okay, so the Dualtron Thunder is actually way lighter than the Wolf Warrior 11 Plus because it just weighs around 44 kilograms. The Wolf Warrior weighs around 50, so it's way heavier. It's actually, there's a big difference. So this went better than expected. And the kickstand is already mounted. And now, come on, take a look. My dear cameraman, come on, come over here. Look at this kickstand. Look at it. Look how thick it is. Versus the new kickstand that is in the Wolf Warrior 11 Plus. This is a proper kickstand. There's also a good stand in the X, but you know the X is like $6,000, so
X is sexy.
yeah, it should have a good stand. But the Wolf has a better stand. You listening, Minimotors? Anyways, here we have the charge ports, GX16. Here is the external battery port, GX20. For if 60 volts and 35 amp hours is not enough for you. Alright. That's in here. Some, you know, heavy duty screws. Makes me quite happy. Alright. Yeah, so now the steering column will lock in place when it's folded down. And yeah, we totally should just turn it on and see if it works. I forgot that there's a kill switch in the Dualtron Thunder located here. So when it arrives, it's off, and then you just have to flick it on. So now it's on. Not all scooters have kill switches, but the Dualtron Thunder has one. Yay! 45% battery, and right away you can see the RGB action, and that's why we need the remote. Just take out this thing from the battery. Yeah, so again, in order to change these RGBs, don't point the remote somewhere, point it right here, and then it will change. I like it to be in quick or slow most of the time. No, that's not the one. Flash, no, that's not the one. Fade, oh yeah, fade, that's my favorite one. Yeah, so the scooter is alive and well. Everything works. Here we have the buttons. For the, yeah, you'll see the scooter in review soon, but everything works fine. Now I'll just have to charge it. So always remember, first plug in the wall charger to the wall and then to the scooter. Charging. Red light means charging. So if you're still here, leave a like on the video, subscribe to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.